In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful animation just using CSS, the water waves. So here the way that I'm just going to explain you this logic is just by inspecting the code that I have written previously. So here the first and foremost thing that I have done is just created this loader wrapper element with this div element, and here you can observe this loader wrapper. If I change its background color, so that is that loader wrapper, and inside that I have this water class, not a glass of water but a class of water, that is just the div element. And here you can observe this div element is 400 by 500 rectangle, and you can observe this over here. And you know where the magic is happening and where this illusion is being created. Actually the water is not moving like this over here, but it is just the illusion. So I'm just going to reveal that magic by just giving you some clues. And the first clue is I'm just going over here and I'm unchecking this box, and then I'm gonna uncheck this box, and you can see here a separate block. Yes, this is the separate block that is created using this pseudo element after for this water. So I have given some styles in order to make that a square, and here I have given some animations for this with the CSS animations and the keyframes to rotate itself 360 degrees around it. So here I am making its border radius 38 degrees in order to make its corners round. And now here in this the last step is just I'm checking this box to overflow hidden for this water element. So for this glass I'm just putting this overflow hidden so that it is hiding the whole extra part of this pseudo element, and it is just showing the required part for this illusion. I hope that you have understood the logic for this, and this is the secret behind making this. If you want the code for this, you can check out the description box below, and if you have any doubts regarding this video, you can ask them in the comment section below. And before going into my code, just give it a try on your own, and I will be happy if you achieve it. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the other videos.